when you put out hours into a video, and at the end of this video you have 3 views, I know it is frustrating. That is not what everybody wants to see. But let's reframe it this way: that 3 view, we know, is 3 real people who watch your videos, who find your videos interesting and they were able to watch, and that video has good engagement. When I mean good engagement is they watch it to a certain time or a certain period, and also they share the video, and also they like the video. The only thing you have to do is to make them stay, is to make those 3 people stay in your channel. And how will you make them stay is for you to keep posting your video. And this is time for you not to give up, because if you give up, these 3 people, you will not impact in their life again. So what you're supposed to do is for you not to give up, and don't look for what you don't have. When I mean don't look for what you don't have, I mean focus on what you have. Keep improving, keep learning, keep resetting, keep giving them the content they want. And remember, every big YouTubers started like you. If you are struggling with no views, no subscribers, and you have been thinking, what should I turn on? What should I turn off? What should I do? Stop thinking. Let me just tell you that every big YouTubers you see on YouTube has been on that space with you. They have faced that same challenge. They have passed 1 or 2 hurdles like you. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to encourage you in this video that you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to break it down, why this happened and how to fix it. So first of all, YouTube is a search engine. So if your video is not getting views, your video is not getting subscribers, possibly these 3 things is happening. Either no one is finding your video, or your thumbnail and your topic is not grabbing attention, or your content is not keeping people watching. Now let me explain. If your title or your thumbnail is not grabbing attention, what you're supposed to do first, you have 3 seconds. You have 3 seconds to grab the attention of your audience. You have to use trick. You have to use numbers. You have to use emotion. You have to, you have to, in details, explain and tell them why they are watching your video at that time. That way they can stay to listen and watch what you are saying. The second one is focus on searchable topic. There is something that people are always looking for on YouTube. Look for those topic that they are always looking for on YouTube. Make video with it. Look for video that you see that is always getting views. There are videos that when you post it, you will find out that they are not getting views. So look for those videos that get views. You can use BuddyTuber, or you use VidIQ to search what people are looking for at that particular time or that day. Don't go to VidIQ and search a topic today, then you go and post it tomorrow, because by that time you will find out that people have searched that particular topic and it is no more searchable, or is not driving traffic again. So if you use VidIQ and you were able to get a topic, make sure that you shoot that video that day. Make sure that you post the video that day. Don't escalate it or leave it till tomorrow. The next thing is for you to improve your retention. How many minutes are they watching your video? Retention also makes YouTube to push your video. If a video is not getting retention, you find out that YouTube will not be able to push that video. Post consistently. When you have that 3 view that you had, if you keep posting, it makes them to wake up and say, somebody is supposed to post a video, let me go and watch. But when they find out that the view was not there, when they find out that the video was not there, they check, they didn't find any video in your channel, they are not going to come back or bother to check if you have posted any video. So be consistent, keep to time, keep to day, and always inform your community that you have posted a video. The next one is your mindset. Focus your Let your mindset be win-win. Let your mindset be, I'm going to succeed on this space. Let your mindset be, I will be successful, I will make it 100%, I will monetize my channel, it's going to yield money, it's going to yield increase, it's going to favor me. Have a positive mindset towards your content or towards your channel. By so doing, when you have positive mindset, it's going to energize a lot of things in your body, which is going to help you to scale through. And by so doing, you will not give up. But once you begin to have that negative mindset, you will give up so easily, because when you post a video and you put all your effort and make a video, and you find out that nobody's watching, there is no view, there is no comment, there is no like, you are going to give up. So firstly, tell yourself, I need to keep posting, I need to be consistent. This thing we are doing here is a process, it takes time. Forget, as you are seeing a lot of people making it already. When you check their channel, some of them has been here 3 years, some of them has been here 4 years. Since I got monetized, I know how much I've made on my channel. So sometimes I'll just be like, these people that are talking about millions, is that how they made it? But I find out that these people I'm trying to compare myself to has been consistent for 3 years. So I'm just 1 year. So I need to put more effort. At least give it that 3 years that every other person has given their own, and see what I will come up with. If you have watched up to this time and you get value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video for more people to see. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.